Alright, so I was scrolling through some random pictures that I have on my phone, and I came across a screenshot that I must have taken, I don't know when, but it is for a sourdough discard cinnamon roll mug cake. And it's supposed to only take about 5 minutes. So we are going to make that. So the first thing you obviously need a mug. So you don't need a scale. I'm going to give the measurements in grams, some of them in grams, and also not grams. So you either need 60 grams of sourdough discard or a 1/4 cup. So I'm going to do 60 grams of my discard over here. I don't know how good this is going to be. I have not tried it before. Alright, the only other thing you might need your scale for is the flour. And it's a 1/4 cup or 30 grams of regular all-purpose flour. So let me grab that. Good enough. All right, now everything else is going to be done in like teaspoons and tablespoons, so I'm going to get rid of this guy. All right, so now we need 2 tablespoons of milk, dairy or non-dairy. I used to have a really good like chocolate chip mug cookie recipe. And that's actually what I was looking for. I couldn't find it. I had it saved on my phone. Couldn't find it. I've tried other recipes like this in the past and they were not good. So we're going to see how this goes. Now we need 2 tablespoons of sugar, white or brown. I'm going to go brown sugar. We need 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. I'm gonna use oil because my butter's not melted and I don't feel like melting it. So 2 tablespoons of this. Whoop. Joke's on me, I am gonna have to end up melting butter anyways for the cinnamon swirl, but whatever. Now we need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. It also calls for a pinch of salt, so I feel like, you know, like that's like a pinch. Like, probably put the rest of that in there. Now, okay, I'm gonna stir this together. Just see how this goes. Just see what it looks like in there. It looks gross, but we're gonna stir it together. I'm kind of surprised this doesn't have an egg in it. Okay. Now we're gonna do the cinnamon swirl. Alright, so for the swirl, you need a tablespoon of melted butter, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to drizzle it over this with a toothpick. I'm not going to use a toothpick. And then we're going to microwave it on high for 60 to 90 seconds. I'm going to start with 60 seconds because our our microwave is really powerful. So we're going to do a tablespoon of butter, tablespoon of brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Alright, now it says to take that and pour it over the top. This probably isn't like the best shaped mug for this because it's like curvy. but whatever. Seems like butter is weird. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm just gonna drizzle it. I don't know. I've already got my doubts. This is not pretty. I don't really want all that butter in there. I'm just gonna do that. That's what she looks like. I can't really even like a toothpick swirl that. Like what? I'm gonna go microwave this for 60 seconds. And we are gonna see what it looks like. Give me 1 minute. Do y'all wanna see what this looks like? I didn't even go a full minute. That's what it looks like. Like, what is this? What is this? I do think it's cooked though. Give me a sec. Let me wipe this off. So pro tip, put it on a plate if you're gonna do this. And I did it for a minute and like 5 seconds. It's still very hot. It's like mostly cooked. Yeah, see, it's like mostly cooked. I'd probably do it longer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick this in the microwave for just like 20 more seconds. I don't know if it's gonna focus on that, but that's what it, let me see. That's what it looks like. Does not look pretty. Doesn't look pretty. It looks like a cake though. And from what I tasted, it's hot. It's good. It's actually pretty good. It's actually good. It tastes like a cinnamon roll. Recommendation. Maybe cook it in a mug that's not shaped like this. Cook it on a plate because it's gonna get disgusting. I don't know if you can see all the disgustingness that it got all over. So that's a recommendation that I have. But it's good. It's got like a good, it's got like a good texture to it. I really like it. It's really hot. I would make this again. It's really good. I think it would be good to share. It didn't fill the whole cup or anything. It's only like half full, but it's good. I actually recommend this. If you want a little treat and you have sourdough discard, it's really good. It doesn't taste very sourdoughy. It's not like tangy. Normally I avoid baking with sourdough discard because I don't really like the taste of it, but this is good. Yeah, it's really good. I actually recommend it. So, you know, that's it. That's the video. My next video will be a garden tour for sure, I think. We've just been busy. It was Mother's Day, and then we have taken apart like our entire deck, hence the look I was working outside. And so our whole deck is taken apart right now. So yeah, you'll see that in the next video for sure. You'll definitely see it because it'll be part of the garden tour. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.